Schistosomes differ from other trematodes by being dioecious, with the slender adult female residing permanently within a specialized ventral groove of the male. What is this groove called? Bursa coplatrix, cirrus pouch, ootype, gynecophoric canal. And the correct answer is option D, that is gynecophoric canal. In veterinary parasitology, which nematode is recognized as the largest parasitic worm of domestic animals, with females exceeding 60 cm in length and about 1 cm in diameter? Ascaris suum, Parascaris equorum, Diaptophyma rhinale, Taxocara viculorum. And the correct answer is option C, that is Diaptophyma rhinale. Which nematode is recognized as the largest intestinal parasite of cattle, with adult females reaching lengths of up to 30 cm? Bunostomum, Phlebotomum, Taxocara viculorum, Esophagostomum radiatum, Strongyloides papillosus. And the correct answer is option B, that is Taxocara viculorum. In equines, a large whitish intestinal nematode may reach lengths of up to 40 cm and is a common parasite of foals and young horses. Which parasite fits this description? Parascaris equorum, Strongylus vulgaris, Oxyuris equi, Habronema musci. And the correct answer is option A, that is Parascaris equorum. In poultry helminthology, which nematode is recognized as the largest parasite of birds, with adult females measuring up to 40 cm in length? Itrachus galinarum, Capillarius species, Syngamus trachyi, Ascaridia species. And the correct answer is option D, that is Ascaridia species. In turkeys, the protozoan disease blackhead is transmitted indirectly via a nematode acting as a biological vector. Which nematodes serve as the vector for Histomonas milligradus? Ascaridia gallic, Itrachus galinarum, Syngamus trachyi, Capillarius species. And the correct answer is option B, that is Itrachus galinarum. In horses living in warm climates, a seasonal cutaneous condition known as summer sores results from aberrant larval deposition in the skin. Which parasite is responsible for this condition? Strongylus species, Parascaris equorum, Oxyuris equi, Habronema species. And the correct answer is option D, that is Habronema species. One nematode species is distinguished by its exceptionally large size compared with other parasitic roundworms of pigs. Which species hold this distinction? Trichuris suis, Strongyloides ransomii, Ascaris suum, Aesophagostomum species. And the correct answer is option C, that is Ascaris suum. The most widely recognized form of visceral larva migrants results from larval migration of a canine roundworm following accidental ingestion of infective eggs. Which parasite is responsible? Ankylostoma caninum, Toxocara canis, Ascaris lumbricoides, Strongyloid stercoralis. And the correct answer is option B, that is Toxocara canis. Among spirorid nematodes, one genus uniquely requires two intermediate hosts to complete its life cycle, unlike others that need only one. Which of the following parasite fits this description? Thilasia, Hygronyma, Gnathostoma, Spirocerca. And the correct answer is option C, that is Gnathostoma. Which ocular nematode genus in birds is considered functionally equivalent to Thilasia species that infect mammals? Capillaria, Oxyspirura, Syngamus, Hygronyma. And the correct answer is option B, that is Oxyspirura. Adult Dirofilaria immitis involved in canine heartworm disease are morphologically characterized by a distinctive body form and size. Which description best fits these adult worms? Short stout worms measuring less than 10 cm, long slender worms measuring 20 to 30 cm, flattened worms measuring 5 to 8 cm, coiled worms measuring 10 to 15 cm. And the correct answer is option B, that is long slender worms measuring 20 to 30 cm. Eggs with a characteristic lemon shape and prominent bipolar plugs are considered diagnostic for infection with which nematode genus? Capillaria, Trichuris, Toxocara, Strongyloides. And the correct answer is option B, that is Trichuris. Members of the genus Trichuris have a distinctive body morphology that directly explains their common name in veterinary parasitology. Based on this appearance, what are these nematodes commonly called? Whipworms, threadworms, hookworms, pinworms. And the correct answer is option A, that is whipworms. In trematodes, the free-swimming larval stage that is pear-shaped or pyriform and covered with cilia is specifically termed as which of the following? Cercaria, Sporocyst, Radia, Miracidium. And the correct answer is option D, that is Miracidium. In veterinary parasitology, one liver fluke species shows a clear geographic preference and is predominantly encountered in tropical regions. Which trematode species fits this distribution pattern? Fistula hepatica, Fistula gigantica, Dicrocilium dendriticum, Paramphistomum cervi. And the correct answer is option B, that is Fistula gigantica. In the life cycle of Fistula hepatica, transmission to definitive host occurs through ingestion of which specific infective stage attached to aquatic vegetation? Miracidium, Cercaria, Metacercaria, Radia. And the correct answer is option C, that is Metacercaria. In fissulosis, effective control requires an anthelmintic active against early immature flukes migrating in the liver parenchyma. Which drug is specifically effective against these early parenchymal stages? Albendazole, tricalbendazole, oxyclotinib, praziquantel. And the correct answer is option B, that is tricalbendazole. In Dicrocilium dendriticum, the internal morphology of the alimentary canal shows a characteristic configuration used for identification. The gut consists of two branches and resembles which structure? Y-shaped loop, H-shaped channel, tuning fork, spiral coil. And the correct answer is option C, that is tuning fork. Within the family Dicrocilidae, most genera require two intermediate hosts. However, one genus uniquely requires three intermediate hosts in its life cycle. Which genus shows this exception? Dicrocilium, Eurytrema, Plateosomum, all of the above. And the correct answer is option C, that is Plateosomum.